Replacing a door in your Knoxville home may seem like a simple upgrade, but it's one of the most important decisions you can make for your property's comfort, safety, and curb appeal. Whether you're upgrading an aging front door, improving energy efficiency, or refreshing your home's style, choosing the right door replacement requires careful attention. Many homeowners rush the process and end up facing higher costs, poor performance, or ongoing frustrations. By understanding common mistakes and how to avoid them, you can make a confident and informed choice. Ignoring energy efficiency. Knoxville experiences a mix of humid summers, cold winters, and year-round weather shifts. Choosing a door that doesn't offer strong insulation can lead to uncomfortable indoor temperatures and higher utility bills. Many homeowners look only at style or price and forget to check energy-efficient features such as insulated cores, proper weather stripping, and high-quality materials. How to avoid it? Always look for doors with strong energy performance ratings, especially if the door faces direct sunlight or colder wind exposure. A well-insulated door keeps your home comfortable and helps reduce long-term energy costs. Choosing style over durability. A beautiful door may enhance your home's appearance, but style alone shouldn't determine your final choice. Some materials, while attractive, may not hold up to Knoxville's humidity, heavy rains, or temperature fluctuations. How to avoid it? Consider how different materials perform in local weather conditions. Fiberglass and steel doors are often excellent choices because they resist warping, cracking, and fading. Before purchasing, balance style with long-term durability. Underestimating the importance of security. Many homeowners assume all new doors provide the same level of protection, but security varies widely. Weak frames, thin materials, or low-grade hardware can make your home vulnerable. How to avoid it? Choose a door built with security in mind. Look for sturdy materials, reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and high-quality hardware. A secure door not only protects your home but also increases your peace of mind. Not considering the door's full function. A door isn't just a decorative panel. It must open, close, seal, insulate, and operate smoothly for years. Some homeowners choose a door based solely on how it looks, and later discover it sticks, doesn't close properly, or lacks the features needed for their lifestyle. How to avoid it? Think about how you use the door daily. Do you need additional natural light? Privacy? Ventilation? Sound reduction? Make sure the door you choose meets all your functional needs. Trying DIY installation. Door replacement might appear simple, but it requires precise measurements, proper sealing, and expert installation. A poorly installed door can cause drafts, water leaks, security issues, and premature wear. How to avoid it? Always hire a qualified professional for door replacement in Knoxville. Local experts understand the region's climate, building codes, and best installation methods, ensuring your door performs as it should. Focusing only on the upfront price. Budget is important, but choosing the cheapest option often leads to problems down the road, higher energy bills, frequent repairs, or full replacement sooner than expected. How to avoid it? Compare price, material quality, warranty coverage, and long-term performance. A slightly higher investment upfront often saves time, money, and frustration. Overlooking maintenance needs. Different door materials require different levels of upkeep. Some homeowners choose a door without realizing the maintenance it will need, which can lead to premature deterioration. How to avoid it? Ask about maintenance requirements. Fiberglass and steel doors require minimal care, while wood doors may need periodic refinishing. Make the right choice for your Knoxville home. Choosing a door replacement is more than a quick home improvement project. It's an investment in your home's comfort, security, and long-term value. By avoiding these common mistakes and working with a trusted Knoxville door replacement professional, you can ensure your new door performs beautifully for years to come.